Hello, YouTube guys and gals. Today, back on the Family Budget Garage, we're completing the panel install on the 66 C10. These panels, it's not an exact fit, but they give you something to work with. Have to make some slicing and dicing for the floor pan to overlap the inner quarter or inner rocker panel. Still got some fitment issues there. May have to add a splice in the metal back there. May cut it too short. Up here is something that nobody takes time to replace, but I think it's very important. It's the studs to the gas pedal, and the way they're made is they have a little metal bracket right there that's spot welded to the old floor pan. We're going to be taking that out and installing that right there on that ledge. And we took our washer out, re-drilled it for a couple spot welds. Also, we marked where the bracket goes underneath the cab mount support floor bracket. Drilled zip screws through them. Got zip screws around to hold the panel in. Some up here on the toe board. We also noticed a problem here. This rocker has got this ear right here sticking out. That's incorrect. Can't use that because it sets out this way too far. It needs to go back. So essentially, you have to cut that off right here. Cut that off. Don't use that. And here is the inner kick panel. Got it marked where I'm going to have to cut it at to match my truck. They give you a longer piece, probably about 6 to 8 inches tall. It's got the curve in it right there for your rubber. But the way this goes is, bear with me here, it goes like this on the inside, and this will stick down through here, which offsets that enough so that you can get your fender bracket that goes on there in there. Let me go over here to the other side of the truck and I'll show you what it looks like from the factory. We've got rust in our hood. We're going to be fixing that spot and that spot and that spot there and back here on the corner because they want too much for hoods. But down here, like I showed you, still got the old fender brace. You see how that steps in, and it's flush with the side of the toe board. So when you put this inner kick panel in right here, runs down through there, that gives you that. So that's the correct place, the correct one to use. You don't use the one that's attached to the rocker panel because it sticks out here where this needs to be back a little bit. Just wanted to show you that tidbit trick. So that's going to be all for now. Painted the front. That's just a quick spray job because we're going for a basically bone stock look. It's flat spray paint. We done up here around the cab too. We gotta mark this part off here in orange. Goes right here to this crease and around, which I got lucky. This old orange paint is pretty close to Hugger orange or just your typical orange paint. So it matches out pretty good. But I wanted to share that little bit of tidbit with you. So check back for part 3. Y'all have a good day.